iPhone 12 mini is one of the most exciting iPhones coming this year. Many people are waiting for this iPhone to be launched by Apple. I have already made a video in depth regarding all of the specifications and everything regarding this iPhone. But I thought it important to make a complete video dedicated to the design and looks of this iPhone because Apple has not yet launched any iPhone which is of 5.4 inches. So this is a very different size, and overall the entire iPhone is a pretty different smartphone. So guys, in my today's video I'm going to be discussing regarding the beautiful design and all of the minute perfections that Apple is opting for. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me discuss regarding the size and the form factor of this iPhone. Guys, this is going to be a very compact iPhone after a long time. The size of this iPhone is going to be slightly bigger than the old iPhone SE and slightly smaller than the new iPhone SE. So guys, nowadays every single smartphone that is launching has a bigger display. The minimum display size is 6 inches, whereas all the smartphones are increasing in terms of the size, whereas Apple's current iPhone 11 Pro is considered as a small phone. Still, it is a 5.8 inch iPhone, but it is a small smartphone, whereas the upcoming iPhone 12 mini is going to be even smaller than the iPhone 11 Pro, but the display is going to be a pretty good thing. Guys, you're going to be getting a OLED display with the iPhone 12 mini, and that too with a smaller notch. Well guys, this time Apple is going to be doing the re-engineering with all of the 4 iPhones. Apple is going to be shifting the front-facing earpiece in the topper bezel, and whereas in the entire notch there are going to be all of the sensors. There is going to be the dot projector, the ambient light sensor, and the front facing camera. So guys, Apple is managing to put all of the Face ID stuff in a smaller form factor, whereas they are trying to push the earpiece in the upper bezel, and because of this thing Apple can slow down, or Apple can make a smaller size variant of the notch, and because of this factor you will get a good screen to body real estate. So guys, now let me discuss regarding the body design of this iPhone. Well guys, you're going to be getting the exact same looks like the iPhone 11. You're going to be getting the dual camera setup with a 12 megapixel primary camera and with a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and the exact same back panel found in the iPhone 11, but this time this back panel is going to be way more smaller. So guys, imagine a small and compact iPhone with a dual camera setup. That will make this iPhone a way more futuristic iPhone, because nowadays every single smartphone is getting bigger and bigger, and companies kind of typically associate that how much bigger the smartphone, that much premium it feels. But on the other hand, it becomes very uncomfortable. If you are using a 6.6 inch or a 6.5 inch smartphone for a longer time, you will start feeling uncomfortableness. So guys, now let me discuss regarding the minute details of this iPhone. The first minute detail has to be in terms of the antennas. Well guys, the antenna with this iPhone is going to be getting little more wider. The antenna bands are going to be getting little bit larger in terms of the size, and that is just because this iPhone 12 mini is going to be coming with 5G. This iPhone will support the millimeter wave technology, and hence because of this factor the antennas are going to be increasing in width. Not just that, as this iPhone is going to be coming with 5G technology, the battery life is going to be pretty much improved. If you are going to be having a 5G enabled smartphone, the battery life has to be A+. So guys, in this much small form factor you will get a great battery capacity. And guys, with this iPhone you're going to be getting the lightning connector instead of the USB Type-C. Well guys, everybody likes to have a USB Type-C on every single gadget, but this year Apple is not going to be making the change with any of the iPhones. In fact, next year they are going to be launching iPhone with literally no ports. So from the lightning connector, Apple will directly move towards the portless future. But guys, as if for now we are knowing that the iPhone 12 mini will come with the lightning connector. So guys, this was everything which I wanted to include in my today's video. In this video, I wanted to give the main emphasis to the overall body design and overall form factor of this iPhone, because Apple has never launched a 5.4 inch iPhone, so it becomes a tricky situation in terms of the body design. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video, and guys, definitely consider subscribing to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.